You ever wake up, check your credit, and see something you got deleted show right back up on your credit report? That feeling makes you feel some type of way, doesn't it? I mean, you did work hard for that clean slate, right? And out of nowhere, it's like the system just reversed all that progress overnight. But what if I told you that wasn't even an accident? That's what we call a reinsertion. It's one of the most silent, unfair tactics in the credit game today. Most people flip out when it happens too. I mean, they're thinking they messed up something or their credit sweep didn't even work. But I'm here to tell you, that's not what's going on at all. What's actually happening is the bureaus are testing your structure. I mean, they don't give a fuck about your emotions at all. And if you don't handle it the proper way, you can lose months of work with just one reinsertion. So in this video, I'm gonna break down exactly how to stop it and what I did when it happened to me. So, story time. Before I learned the laws behind credit, I was just trying to survive. I was working for a brokerage at a temp agency, and I was doing shit like, clocking in early, staying late. Hell, I was doing other people's jobs, to be quite frank with you. I was trying to do everything right, exactly. A year goes by. They told me they'll hire me permanently. I'm gonna keep it real with you. I was so damn happy about that. When me and my girl went to a restaurant, I was buying other people's dinners. Like, hey, dog, go ahead and put that Kobe steak on your bill, bro. I got you. Bro, I was celebrating. I was happy, bro. I thought I had money coming in. But then they was like, hey, before we do that and all that, like that right there, we gotta run your credit. I said, oh shit, here we go. And when I tell you that one pull changed my entire situation, not only did they not hire me, they ended my entire contract right then and there on the spot. They didn't give me no warning, no explanation. Shit, I was just gone. That decision made me lose my car. I lost my apartment shortly after, and I ended up living with a family member, So that was a horrible, just fucked up situation. And because I was in that situation, right, I realized no one's coming to save me. In credit, well, this is the one thing that nobody taught us. It had the power to destroy or rebuild my entire life. And that's when I decided, shit, I can just learn it for myself. So let me break down what's actually happening behind the scenes. When a deleted account comes back, that's actually called reinsertion. And under the federal law, specifically FCRA 15 USC, bureaus can only reinsert an account if three things happen. They re-verify it with the original furnisher. They send you a written notice within 5 business days even of doing that. Or that notice includes who verified it and when and even how. If you didn't receive that notice, that reinsertion is illegal. Not questionable, not gray area, straight up illegal. So when that happens, it's not time to panic, right? Y'all gotta get into a real grind mindset. Y'all gotta get to a hustler's mindset. Y'all gotta start to pivot because reinsertion isn't just a failure, it's a violation. And when you handle it right, well, you can turn that violation into leverage. I remember the first time I saw it happen. An account that was gone for months just suddenly reappeared like nothing happened. Like, motherfucker, where you come from? I thought maybe I messed up my dispute or used the wrong form or something. Like, I was confused. But when I checked the mail, there wasn't a notice, no verification letter. Then I realized the bureaus weren't following their own rules. Like, nigga, y'all cheating? And that's when I started building my first reinsertion violation packet. That packet included my previous report showing deletions, my new report showing reinsertions, and my letter citing the FCRA 1681I 5B2 statute. That single packet changed my entire situation. And let me make this clear. There's a difference between re-verification and re-adding. When a bureau says, we updated the account with new information, that's not verification, guys. That's re-adding. Verification means they contacted the furnisher, they got proof, and they followed the legal process. But if they didn't do that, well, then guys, that's called reinsertion, and that's your leverage. So here's what you do. Ask for the method of verification. Demand the name of the furnisher, the contact, and the date they verified. If they can't prove it, they can't provide it, well, you guys need to file a CFPB complaint attaching both reports and reinsertion letter. You guys need to hear this. Get out your feelings. Like, seriously, get out your feelings. You're not arguing feelings. You're citing law. I tell people all the time, screenshots won't save you. Paper will. Send every reinsertion letter certified with return receipts. Keep every green card, every tracking slip, every signature confirmation. When you attach those to your CFPB complaint, well, that's what gets you results. That's when they know you're not playing, you're documenting. Structure beats emotions every time. Bureaus ignore your reinsertion letter? Don't resend it, escalate it. Go to consumerfinance.gov/complaint. Choose credit reporting, select incorrect information on credit report, attach your old report, new report, and your letter, and be sure to write it clearly. That's important. Once that's submitted, they're legally required to respond. And that's when deletions start to happen, y'all. That's the magic. And while I'm sitting here just thinking about it, I never forgot the first CFPB email I got. It simply said, the account has been deleted. You hear that? I mean, they didn't issue me an apology, no excuse. They were just quiet, they were silent, and most importantly, they were compliant. Because they can't do shit. I mean, excuse my language, but they can't do anything. That's all they can do. Right then and there, I realized that was the moment when you show the bureaus you know structure, they're gonna stop testing you, guys. That was my shift from frustration to complete control. Now, once you've won the battle, lock down your file at optoutprescreen.com, freeze your LexisNexis and SafeStream files. Update your personal info across all bureaus. That means your name, your address, employer. And remember, you're not just cleaning up, you're sealing cracks in any system they try to throw at you. This is how you make your results stick permanently. And oh my God, I was ancient. When I first did this, I used to print and mail all my letters by hand. And let me tell you, that shit got old quick. Now I use Credit Fixer. It automatically attaches all forms, fills in every FCRA codes, tracks all disputes across any cycles that I create. It's the same system I use for my own file and clients till this day. No missing forms, no guesswork, just all structure. So listen to me. If you ever had accounts reappear, right, after you did all that hard work, after a credit sweep, don't panic. You didn't lose progress. You're just entering into the new phase of things, right? This is the new process. Grab the sweep protocol. It walks you through every step, every law, and every form you need. And if you want direct support, join my private community. You'll get all 4 ebooks, daily credit game, and real updates when things change. And for those people who are ready to move today, ready to automate today, well, Credit Fixer link is below. I want everybody who wants to build their credit or their alternate files with confidence to grab my Sweep Protocol ebook or one of the 3 other ebooks that I have that teach you all the game. Those are all the information that I have. I put into an ebook to help anybody to kind of get to where they need to go. That's how I got my funding. That's how I got where I am today. And guys, you can automate your entire process with Credit Fixer. That's what I use when I'm helping clients. I'm not mailing letters off for people. I'm using a software. I'm using the AI powered software. So that's what I use. So if you guys are self-hustlers like I am, I personally recommend Credit Fixer. So use my link below and you'll get where you need to get. Guys, remember, this is a mindset thing. There's so many of us out here. You don't need luck when you're dealing with credit. Guys, you need structure. That little margin separates so many people. People who play by luck and people who play by structure. It's like right there. It's a thin line. So I want you guys to understand, have patience. It's a virtue for a reason. When I lost everything, I thought credit ruined me. I thought it was it. I was damn near cursing credit. Like when somebody talked to me about credit, I was cursing them like, fuck credit. I was doing all that. But learning the system, understanding structure, well, that really rebuilt me. Because once you learn how to move by law, not emotion, you'll never fear these systems again. You'll just need the right mindset.